tena mange mogo etera. Nima tena mange mogo ticheli wa. Mutumainie Mungu. Eka kiogo ticheli wa. Go back to your bed. Himokia magoko igor tebinga Nyasaye. Jetibwati mosacho konyegerezeye. Omosacha bwezeye na chiete kale. Ngwanjeta karara. Nayo mosacho onore moyo. Hindwaniri na bana bali wandigerta. Hallelujah. Nima temuna tora twestu asiri ya banchwa. Onye ngwana korambera buo. Akira Nyasaye mbuya mono. Onye ngwana korambera buo. Akira Nyasaye mbuya mono. Nano nyotora asiri omonto bwe nyomba yao. No siretio moiri no mosani. Na bamalikago teba. Tutokwa moyo. Shetani yegentaro cha tubweriri na makweli. Lakini maandiko inasema hekero yesarache na asiri ya makweli kurwa storonzi ya koleki. Nati nyama ya kurwa sama itaisto marigaya to kolra we will not cry anymore. It is a short period of time. That's why we are here like the servant of the Lord, comforting you by telling you that you know what? Jesus is coming soon. Prepare yourself. There is a place that we are going where we shall not mourn anymore. He will wipe our tears from our eyes. We shall not cry. Instead, in heaven we shall cry the tears of joy, praising the Lord, telling him this far that he has brought us, it is because of his grace. Hallelujah. Ekerotura ikeigoro ndolera mariga yo mogoko togo tebanga Nyasaye twete ire mechane menge twatese kirazeze twamigirwe n'ababisa twanyorera yara makongu. Lakini today we are rejoicing in heaven where we shall not mourn anymore. Hallelujah.
Get the point. Take a step forward.